In this video, we will learn how to add effects in text in Canva. So, suppose I am going to add this text here. So, we will add effects here. Okay. Now we will hit on the effects. Okay. Now at the left part, you can see here. And this is none. If you don't want any effect on the text, you will click the none. But if you want shadow, you can do in shadow text shadow here. You can change the shadow color to make it more visible. Okay, suppose I'm going to this shadow color. Okay. How you want this blur? If you want this to be blur, you will increase that. Um, okay, you can set that text shadow. But if you don't want shadow, if you want lift, you can use that one and increase the intensity. Okay, and if you want that to be hollow text effect, and then you can increase the hollow text effect. So if you want a spice, you can do it. If you want outline, you can do it. And in there you can change the outline color here. Okay, and if you want echo, then you can change it to perfect, and you can change the echo color. Okay, and if you want to color the effect, you will hit on it, and you can change the roundness and how much the spread will be. You can select there, and you can also set the transparency here. If you want it should be transparent, you can decrease the volume here. Okay, you can change the color here. And if you want this text to be rounded here, you can choose that curve, and you can make it larger here, and you can choose how much curve text will be. These are all the effects that you can apply to your text. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.